If you want to speak Korean well, learn how to say it in Korean first. 한국어를 잘하고 싶어요. It means I want to speak Korean well. 한국어를 잘하고 싶어요. Let's break it down. 한국어, Korean, 잘, well, 하고 싶어요. Want to do. Say it out loud. 한국어를 잘하고 싶어요. Got it? Now tell me, why do you want to speak Korean? Type it below. 잘했어요. There are so many similar conjunctions in Korean. 그런데, 근데, 하지만, 그럼, 그래서, 그러니까. This is crazy. Let's learn how to say I have something in Korean. The basic form is 땡이 올까 있어요. For example, 펜이 있어요. I have a pen. 에어팟이 있어요. I have AirPods. 책이 있어요. I have a book. 커피가 있어요. I have coffee. 카메라가 있어요. I have a camera. 귀걸이가 있어요. I have earrings. Use E when the noun ends with a final consonant. Use 가 when it doesn't. Now it's your turn. Write it in the comments. 잘했어요. 3 Korean phrases only real learners know, especially when you're over it. 상관없어. It means I don't care or it doesn't matter to me. 아무거나. Use this to say whatever is fine or anything is okay. 귀찮게 하지 마. This one is more intense. It means don't bother me. 상관없어. 아무거나. 귀찮게 하지 마. 3 ways to keep you cool in Korean. Which one fits your mood today? Let's hear it in the comments. Type the one you'd actually say in Korean. Real talk only. 잘했어요. You know the feeling when you just don't feel like doing anything? 귀찮아. This means I can't be bothered or I feel too lazy. 하기 싫어. This one's more direct. It means I don't want to do it. 안 끌려. This is like saying I'm not feeling it. It comes from 끌리다, meaning to be drawn to something. Let's recap real quick. 귀찮아. 하기 싫어. 안 끌려. Want to sound like a real Korean speaker? These are your must-haves. Which one do you use the most when you're done with everything? Let me know below. 잘했어요. If you're learning Korean, you need to know these basic fruit words. They come up all the time. 사과, apple, banana, banana, easy right? 포도, grapes, 딸기, strawberry, 수박, watermelon. Let's go over them one more time. 사과, banana, 포도, 딸기, 수박. Now you try. Comment your favorite fruit in Korean below. 잘했어요. Let me show you something that will make you smile and teach you one cute Korean word along the way. 귀여워요. It means cute. So how do you say Duffy is cute? 더피가 귀여워요. Duffy is cute. Try it out with your favorite plushie or pet. Tag someone or something cute. And comment 땡땡땡 이 or 가 귀여워요. 잘했어요. You know the feeling when you just really don't want to work today? I'm here for you. 일하기 싫다. 진짜 너무 일하기 싫다. What's one thing you don't want to do today? Let me know. If you want to visit Korea, learn how to say it in Korean first. 한국에 가고 싶어요. It means I want to go to Korea. Let's break it down. 한국, Korea, to 가고 싶어요. Want to go. Say it out loud. 한국에 가고 싶어요. Now tell me, where do you want to go in Korea? Let's dream big together. 잘했어요. Here's what to say in Korean when someone is sick or tired. Don't just say nothing. 푹 쉬세요 means rest well. Super common when someone is exhausted. 얼른 회복하세요. I hope you recover quickly. 얼른 나으세요. Get well soon. A friendly wish for healing. 푹 쉬세요. 얼른 회복하세요. 얼른 나으세요. Simple, caring, and really useful. Save this and send it next time a friend's feeling sick. Korean caring. 잘했어요. Most people don't know the difference between 좋아요 and 좋아해요. But they're not the same thing. 좋아요 means it's good. You're describing something as good or acceptable. Like, 이 음식은 좋아요. This food is good. Or, 날씨가 좋아요. The weather is nice. It can also mean I'm good with that. Or, sounds good to me. On the other hand, 좋아해요 means I like something or someone. It's an action verb about your feelings or preferences. For example, 저는 음악을 좋아해요. I like music. Or 저는 그 사람을 좋아해요. I like that person. You can also use it for hobbies. 저는 책 읽는 걸 좋아해요. I like reading books. So let's recap. 좋아요 is used like it's good or I approve. 좋아해요 is more active. It's like I like this. Drop a comment if you understood the difference of 좋아요 and 좋아해요. I'll check them. 잘했어요. If you only learn one thing in Korean today, let it be this. 6 question words you will use every single day. 뭐, what, 누구, who, and 누가 when it's the subject. 어디, where, use it to ask locations or places. 언제, when, ask time or schedule questions. 어떻게 means how. You'll use this a lot. 왜, short and strong. It means why. Quick recap. 뭐, 누구, 누가, 어디, 언제, 어떻게, 왜. 6 power words. Which one do you say the most? Let me know in Korean below.